There's no money left in your account. Please, make the payment as soon as possible. Surgery cannot be delayed any longer.
How is that possible? I just made a deposit.
Settle the deal quickly.
What are you doing here?
Tom, where is my money?
I was short in cash. Just borrowed it for a bit. I'll pay you back later.
You were short on cash. That is for my sister's life-saving surgery.
Hurry up, Tom.
Who's that? Oh, wow. 5 years together and that's how you treat me?
Babe, I'm coming. Well then, I'm breaking up with you. Now.
Surgery cannot be delayed any longer. Settle the deal quickly.
Alexander, the time has come now. I will find you the perfect wife.
Grandpa, I have no interest in marriage, especially when it's nothing more than a business arrangement.
Thank you all for witnessing the joyous news. My grandson and his fiancée will be formally introduced at the upcoming family gathering.
Tom, just give me my money back.
I'm broke, okay? There's no point in coming to me. And let me remind you, we're done. Don't come crying at me again. Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm on my way. I gotta run.
But, wait, Tom. Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's you.
Sorry, sir. Cash only.
I've got a secret. Nobody knows.
Thanks.
I don't wanna keep it.
You okay?
Leaning close.
You look a little down.
Late in the evening.
I just lost my job.
When the stars come out.
But life goes on.
Can I just get your name? You know, so I can pay you back next time.
What a life that we've designed. I do it 1,000,000 times with you and never get tired. You're my peace.
Why does this guy look so familiar? Why can't I remember? It must be my imagination.
Looks like she doesn't recognize me anymore.
Alexander, what you doing here? Is this your girlfriend?
Grandma.
What happened?
Yes, this is my girlfriend. So, no need for any arranged marriages. She's who I want to be with.
What are you doing?
Play along and I'll give you 10 grand.
I can't take that risk. Not with my sister's surgery on the line.
Well then, the banquet is about to start. You two better go get changed. Jones is back. I'm going with her. I see you both tonight.
That's Jones? The world famous jewelry designer that every magazine is dying to interview? If I could land that interview, it might cover the first round of Caroline's treatment.
It's time to go. This is for you. Take it.
Steady, Emily. You're here for Jones. Focus.
Do you like it?
Hello? No, yes, I understand. I'll have the money as soon as I can.
Are you in some kind of trouble?
It's not really any of your business.
Take this. There's $10,000 on it. Use it however you want. No questions asked.
$10,000? No, No, thank you. We're still strangers.
You're my fiance. Let's get changed.
I've never been anything like this.
Don't worry. Just follow my lead.
And never get tired. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the
Tom? The hell is he doing here? That bastard. Tom, we have unfinished business.
Emily, I don't know what you're talking about.
How do you not know what I'm talking about? You disappeared with all my money and left with someone else. Where is it?
When did I ever take your money? We broke up because of you.
What?
This is pathetic.
You're not getting away with it, you jerk!
Stop playing the victim!
Touch her again, and you'll regret it.
You're Alexander, the president of K Group.
I'm also Emily's fiance. This is a family event. How'd you get in? Get out before I make you.
If he ever bothers you again, tell me. Right away.
Okay. I'm sorry, I can't believe I've wasted 5 years of my life. That piece of trash.
You have me now. Oh. Anyways. This is my grandfather, and he is absolutely obsessed with red wine, backgammon, and classical music. So just, like, if he brings anything up, just talk about Brahms or Mozart.
Mozart.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it sounds like your family nights are fun, but I'm more of a Chopin girl myself.
Chopin?
Yeah.
That's a little slow.
Doesn't look like it's slower.
He gets around, you'd be surprised. And this is my grandmother. But you already met her.
Yeah. She's beautiful.
Emily, you look stunning tonight. We should go?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I am about to introduce you to my grandparents. Are you nervous?
No, I'm just gonna freshen up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Hey, don't bite.
What are you doing? Give me back my earring! Oh my God, just give it up! I always get what I want. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, my dear mother-in-law.
What the hell is your problem?
You just mind your own business. This has nothing to do with you.
Wrong. It has everything to do with me.
Emily, right? Dumped by Tom, and now you're, what? Clinging to a rich old lady for survival? Tragic.
Nancy, right? Aren't you done playing your little games?
You don't know, do you? Tom and I have been together for quite a while. He doesn't really care about you.
So you are not only a thief, but also a homewrecker. Shut up! You miserable old hack! Tom, that bastard. Yeah, you can have it. It's my gift to you. You're gonna regret this, Emily.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. But look, what are we supposed to do with this coat now?
I have just the thing. There. Should do the trick.
Oh, yes, so cute. You have got such a good taste, my dear.
Emily, everything okay in there?
I'll go up first, okay? All right. See you later. Twice. Okay? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Family. So lovely to have everybody here. Now, we need to discuss a very important matter. Alexander still hasn't been able to find a bride. Now, this puts our family in a position where this could not only tarnish our name, Father, but we could lose our company shares. So I have a solution. I would like to
Thank you, Jones, or whatever that was. Grandpa, this is my fiance, Emily Johnson.
Fiance. Hi, Emily. Is it lovely to meet you? So, Emily, please tell me, what is it that you do?
I'm an editor at City Vogue magazine. I make my own living.
An editor. And how is this going to add value to her family, Alexander? See, Father, this is exactly what I was talking about. Alexander, dear, is so young. He doesn't know how to find himself a suitable bride.
I can't believe someone I used to admire is this cruel.
Jones, I think you've been abroad drinking for too long. Clearly, you don't know me anymore.
Smartness. Maybe I don't know you anymore, but I don't care. What I care about is the family and our reputation. And you bringing in this nobody who's just a gold digger and just wants our money. I'm sorry, I'm not going to have it.
The K Group wouldn't be where it is today without Alexander. And since you've been drinking abroad for so long, I think that you haven't contributed much.
Excuse me? Who do you think you are?
Oh, she's quite the talker, isn't she? You better watch your words, little girl.
All I know is that you were scheduled for an interview at our magazine last week. It's too bad your character got you canceled.
Did you just threaten me? You little...
Touch her, lay a hand on her, and you go to war with me.